everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate AustralianSuper account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've recently signed up for AustralianSuper and you're waiting for an email in order to activate or register your account, then here's how to do it. Open up your inbox that you may have received from AustralianSuper. You'll receive this inbox where it displays your member number. Simply go ahead and open up a new tab in order to activate your AustralianSuper account. In the web address bar, type in AustralianSuper.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, mouse over to the login drop down on the top right. Click on Set up Member Account Access. Now, you can set up your account username and password. Go and open up your inbox and copy this member number that you received after signing up and paste it in the member number tab. Scroll down and type in your first name and then your last name. Enter your date of birth information starting off with the day, month and year. Make sure to enter the same information that you used while signing up. Now enter the email address that you associated with while signing up for the account and click next. Now, on the next page, choose a username and password for yourself. Once the username is available, create a password for yourself on the next field. Make sure to enter a strong password which will be easier for you to remember and confirm the password by retyping it again on the last field. Finally, click on the next button and you'll get a security code inboxed to you on your email address. Open up your email and open up the inbox from AustralianSuper. Now your username is displayed on the screen. Your online account registration or activation is completed. Now you can click on this login link. Mouse over to the login drop down and click member login. Enter your username and then your password in the login field and click login. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your AustralianSuper account after activating it online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.